Black History Month, also known as African American History Month in America, is an annual observance in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and the Netherlands, where it is known as Black Achievement Month. It began as a way for remembering important people and events in history of the African diaspora. It is celebrated annually in the United States and Canada in February, as well as in the United Kingdom and the Netherlands in October. I am Alex Frass, and welcome to Elite Jamaica. If it's your first time, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you always receive an update. Many people have read the story of how George Washington Carver invented peanut butter. Others are familiar with the story of Sarah Breedlove, aka Madam C.J. Walker, the inventor of beauty products and the first woman to become a self-made millionaire in America. And thanks to the Academy Award nominated film Hidden Figures, we are now all familiar with the amazing contributions of Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson. But did you know that many of the products we use today are created by Black people? Here's a that until now you probably did not know about. Number 14. Dr. Shirley Jackson. Dr. Shirley Jackson is an American physicist who received her PhD from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1973. She was the first African American woman to earn a doctorate in nuclear physics at MIT. In addition to her lengthy list of academic achievements, she also has an impressive number of inventions under her belt. Her experiments with the theoretical physics paved the way for numerous developments in the telecommunication space, including the one-touch telephone, the portable fax, caller ID, call waiting, and the fiber optic cable. Today, Dr. Shirley Jackson is the 18th president of the Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in Troy, New York. Number 13. Lewis Latimer. Inventor and engineer Lewis Latimer was born in Chelsea, Massachusetts on September 4, 1848. He collaborated with science greats Hiram Maxim and Thomas Edison. One of Latimer's greatest inventions was the carbon filament, a vital component of the light bulb. His inventions didn't stop there. Working with Alexander Graham Bell, Latimer helped to draft the patent for Bell's design of the telephone. This genius also designed an improved railroad car bathroom and an early air conditioning unit. So the next time you're escaping a hot day inside your pool house, don't forget to thank Lewis Latimer. Number 12. Marie Van Britten Brown. Did you know that the first home security system was invented by a Black nurse? Meet Marie Van Britten Brown. Although she was a full-time nurse, she recognized the security threats to her home and devised a system that would alert her of strangers at her door and contact relevant authorities as quickly as possible. Her original invention consisted of peepholes, a camera, monitors, and a two-way microphone. The finishing touch was an alarm button that, when pressed, would immediately contact the police. Her patent laid the groundwork for the modern closed-circuit television system that is widely used for surveillance, home security systems, push-button alarm triggers, crime prevention, and traffic monitoring. Number 11. Otis Boykin. Otis Boykin's most notable contribution to science was likely the circuit improvements he made to pacemaker after losing his mother to heart failure, a contribution that has saved countless lives since. But the single improvement was among a long list of achievements. Boykin had 26 patents in his name and is famed for the development of IBM computers, burglar-proof cash registers, chemical air filters, and an electronic resistor used in controlled missiles and other devices. Number 10. Lonnie G Johnson. Did you ever enjoy water gun fights as a kid? Well, meet Lonnie Johnson, the man who gave us the most famous water gun, the Super Soaker. Lonnie wasn't a toy maker, he was actually an aerospace engineer for NASA, with a resume boasting a stint with the US Air Force, work on the Galileo Jupiter probe and Mars Observer project. He also had 40 patents. Yes, he is also working on the Johnson Thermoelectric Energy Converter, known as JTEC, which converts heat directly into electricity. But it's the squirt gun he created that has given us the most joy. Number 9. Charles Drew. Every 2 seconds, someone in the US needs blood. Thanks to Charles Drew, that blood is available. Drew was a physician, surgeon, and medical researcher who worked with a team at Red Cross and groundbreaking discoveries around blood transfusions. In World War II, he played a major role in developing the first large-scale blood banks and blood plasma programs. He also invented the, and get ready because this name is pretty charming, blood mobiles. These are the refrigerated trucks that to this day safely transport stored blood to the location where it is needed most. Drew was one of the most prominent doctors working in this field, and one of the only African Americans, during a time when blood donation was still separated along lines of race. Drew eventually resigned from his position with the American Red Cross over their insistence on adhering to his policy. It was 1950 before the Red Cross finally recognized all blood as being equal. Number 8. Marian R. Koch. In 2013, Marian Koch was inducted into the Women in Technology International's Hall of Fame, a move that recognizes her for the remarkable achievements in tech. Koch holds over 135 patents, primarily in Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP. Some in other areas. She has another 100 patents currently under review. Today, Marian is an SVP at AT&T, serves as a mentor for women in AT&T Labs, and sits on the board of the Holocaust, Genocide, and Human Rights Education Center. Number 8. Lisa Jalapa. If you ever enjoyed an animated GIF on the web like this one amazing clip of a kitten being scared by an iguana, then you have Lisa Jalapa to thank. Jalapa was integrally involved with the advent of Shockwave, a technology that formed the beginning of web animation. She also played a major role in the emergence of online video, later serving on the senior management team at Hulu. Previously, Lisa was the interim head of digital for BT Networks and ran technology product and business operations. Today, you can catch Lisa at the White House in the United States Digital Service. She is currently serving as the Chief Digital Service Officer of the U.S. Department of Education. Number 6. Jesse Ernest Wilkins Jr. Jesse Ernest Wilkins Jr. is one of America's most important contemporary mathematicians. At 13, he became the University of Chicago's youngest student. Wilkins continued his studies there, earning bachelor, master's, and eventually earning his doctorate degree in mathematics at the age of 19. He's published papers in mathematics, optics, and nuclear engineering. As a mathematician for the American Optical Company of Buffalo, New York, he perfected lens design for microscopes and ophthalmologic uses. His greatest contribution to scholarship was the development of mathematical models to explain gamma radiation and his work on developing a shielding against gamma radiation. His other claim to fame came from working on the Manhattan Project. At the Manhattan Project, Wilkins worked with future Nobel laureate Eugene Wigner and made significant contributions to the nuclear reactor physics, now known as the Wilkins effect and the Wigner-Wilkins spectrum. Number 5. Elijah McCoy. Often regarded as one of the most famous black inventors ever, McCoy was credited for 50 inventions over the span of his career. In an effort to improve efficiency and eliminate the frequent stopping necessary for lubrication of trains, McCoy devised a method of automating the task. In 1872, he developed a lubricating cup that could automatically drip oil when and where needed, vital in avoiding sticking to the track. The lubricating cup met with enormous success, and orders came for it from railroad companies all over the country. It was also popular that when other inventors attempted to steal his idea and sell their own versions of the device, companies were not fooled. They insisted on the authentic device, calling it the real McCoy. Number 4. Garrett Morgan. Those who survived either the world wars thanks to a gas mask of Garrett Morgan to tank. Morgan first created the safety hood to help firefighters navigate smoky buildings, later modifying it to carry its own air supply, making it the world's first effective gas mask. He also had the good sense to add a third position to the traffic signal. Yes, there was a time when traffic signal just said indicated stop and go, an addition that further reduced automobile accidents. Number 3. Mary and Mildred Davidson. Mary and her sister Mildred patented many tactical inventions. They didn't have technical education, but they were exceptional at spotting ways to make people's lives better. Together they invented the sanitary belt. Later Mary invented the moisture-resistant pocket for a belt. While disabled from multiple sclerosis, Mary went on to invent the walker and the toilet tissue holder. Number 1. Philip Emeagwali. Philip Emeagwali dropped out of school at age 14, lack of funds to attend school. He is known to have created the world's fastest computer using 83 processes to create a program that does 3.1 million calculations per second. Guys, thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, which I hope you did, please leave a like and subscribe to her channel for further updates. Thank you.